ingay sa mga adventure. So welcome back again to my YouTube channel, GC Rider Adventure Motovlog. And kung di ka pa subscribe, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit mo rin yung notification bell para updated sa lahat ng videos na gagawin ko. Mga adventure, today's vlog. So mapunta tayo ngayon kay GB Motovlog ulit at magpapalagay tayo ng fiber. Magpapalagay ulit tayo ng magpapaayos ulit tayo at magpapalagay tayo ng fiber sa ating APIDO pipe ang version 3. Kaya samahan nyo ako mga ka-adventure. In 1, 2, 3, let's go! So nandito na naman tayo kay GB Moto.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Yun, sakay ko, nakakati na ako.
Ikalan, tanda mo na yung pinasulat yung adoralin. Pinasulat.
Tapos na agad.
Dapat basahin mo yun.
Isang plastic lang yung nagamit natin.
Ano yung meron?
Magpapakinggan natin ng tunog. Kulang tunog. Ano ba pesa na sa'yo?
Pumunta si Madam Ralin doon sa
Yan na. Ha? Tay, sticker, gusto mo? Gusto mo ang sticker? Sticker! Sige sa akin ang kasama mo. Sige sa akin ang kasama mo. Sige kasama ka? Sige kasama ka? Sige sa akin. Kita, lingat! Tarko, paano ba yun?
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes.